Welcome to English 1102, Summer Term, College of DuPage, 2020. I am Professor Deborah Edelman, and I'll be teaching you this term. Welcome, everybody. I look forward to working with you and following you on your research journey and reading your research projects. Just a few moments of your time to walk through the course requirements. I'm recording this on a hot summer day, and you will hear the sounds of my neighbors' kids enjoying the pool outside, so hopefully you'll be able to hear me above their delight at the water. This class is going to be conducted at a very intense and quick pace, so please make sure that you look at the assignments, the due dates, and that you get in touch with me if you have questions. So just a few things to help you navigate. Some of you may have already taken classes in Blackboard. For some of you, this may be new. So I'll try and be brief and just help you navigate. Announcements will come to you via email, as you should have already seen this first one come into your email. And so that's one of the first warnings, is to make sure that you are keeping track of your College of DuPage email. If you're having problems with that, please check with the Blackboard Student Help Desk. And there's information about that right here in your left-hand menu to get Blackboard help. Syllabus is an important tab. The syllabus is the basic contract that lays out everything that you will be expected to do for this class or for any class that you take in college. And I'm not going to scroll through the whole thing here, but I would like to request that you take some time to do that yourself. You will find basic information about the course and the materials you need, course objectives. These are important. These are departmental, and you will use them should you show your transcript and need to show a syllabus to a college if you transfer. And in general, it describes what we do departmentally in this class. Here you have information about me, the material that you need, and then if you keep scrolling, you will see there is information on what you're expected to do, how I evaluate it, etc., etc. This is a pretty lengthy document, so take some time as we get started to go through the whole thing. Due dates, here the instructor tab has information about me, and I do want to point out as we get started that you'll see my email here, edelman2@cod.edu. Please put that 2 in there, make sure it's there. That will send it right to my for-class email, and I will be able to answer you quickly. If you send it to my general email, it could get lost in the midst of quite a few other emails, and I will send it back to you saying, please send to the right email, and you will have wasted some time and not gotten a quick answer from me. So please make sure that you do make sure it's edelman2@cod.edu, and please do check your COD email. Then going into due dates, this is of course another important tab. You are doing in 5 weeks what some students might be doing in 15. And so we're working at a quick pace, and you can see on these due dates that we'll be going through a couple of units a week, and that there are many times in the class where you will have to turn an assignment around on a daily basis. Very little wiggle room for being late in this class, so please make sure you keep track of these. Our semester goes only until the 29th of June, which is 5 weeks to do a research project. It can be done every summer. I teach this class and students do it, but you do have to be disciplined about it. Course units, you will find all of your assignments here, and for each unit, if you click on the tab, all 15 of them are laid out for you to see, and you will see the details of each one and all of the things that you need to read and write and research. That was Unit 1, and you can see it will be the same thing for every unit. Unit 2, same thing, basically. Everything that you need to do is laid out there. Unit 1 blog, you're going to get started on that right away. That's the introduction to your classmates, whatever you'd like to say to us as we get started working together. And then the discussion board is where subsequently you will be making posts. And you can see that there are discussion boards throughout the term. They have due dates in that due date document, all the way up through the 9th discussion board, so make sure you keep track of those as well. I will be holding office hours in Blackboard Ultra Collaborates. If you click on that, you will see that every Wednesday between 10 and 12, I should be available. It's a drop-in session. You can show up. It might be that some other student is there, and I'll ask you to wait. And if I see that this time frame isn't working out, I may change over to another date or to an appointment only if this doesn't work out for most of you. For now, however, I'm planning on being in Ultra Collaborates on Wednesdays between 10 and 12 for your questions. I assume that many of you will also be contacting me via email. So that's the basics. As we begin the class, I wish you all the best of luck in getting this work done and look forward to working with you. So good luck. See you soon. And please make sure to get in touch with me if you have questions.